Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe for more videos like this or similar to this. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Any products I use or don't use in this any products I use will be linked down in the description, down below in the description box. Okay, let's get into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a no product wash. So I'm just going to wash my hair with water, no products, and we're just going to detangle it, and we're going to see. I'm not going to scrunch, I'm not going to do anything, and I'm just going to let it dry and see what happens to my hair. Let's get into this. Now I'm just going to wash my hair, and I'll be back when it's wet. Okay, so my hair is pretty wet, and that's basically washed, kind of, with water, and now I'm just going to detangle it with this. Okay, so now I've done that, I'm just going to take a little bit of coconut oil. Just a tiny bit to seal the moisture, and that's all I'm going to use. Alright, so this is my hair, dry, it's a little bit damp over here, but it's pretty much dry. And all I did was do this to get more volume, and I put some sea salt spray, and I used a little bit of oat gel, and that's all. So this is my no product wash, and it looks kind of nice. Let's take a good look, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys, I hope this video showed you that you don't need products, but it does help with the frizz and stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.